Hey lovely, so over the weekend I made Eja Didin and I decided to share with you. So for this, we're going to be making it of flour, panla fish, seasoning, pepper, salt, this and toothpick. So in a bowl, I put in my fish and added some seasoning powder, then salt, and I gave that a good mix. I was supposed to cook it before I did this, but I just did it like this. Then I massaged through. I gave it a thorough massage so as for it to enter very well. Then I set aside for some hours. Then I now put out my flour. Then I added pepper, salt, seasoning into the flour to taste so that when I put my fish, it's going to be tasty. So then I folded my panla fish. In case you don't know how to fold panla fish, how you do it. Then I used my toothpick. Some use broom, but I don't feel like broom is healthy enough, so I used toothpick. Then I put my fish into the flour mixture. Then I dipped it in. Then I set aside. So this was what my fish was looking after I did that. Then I fried it, guys. Look at my fish. It's just giving like. I feel like drinking gari as I'm seeing editing this video. Thanks for watching my videos. Love you all. Bye.